Okay, this is part 2 treasure chest video. Give you a close look at how it's coming along this week. I got 3 or 4 coats of Minwax clear varnish on this. It's coming along pretty good. Yeah, I sand in between. You can see it's still pretty porous. But also, this is a really cheap veneer plywood just used for packing, I think. So it's got perfections in it that are just now coming out whenever I put the varnish on, and it soaks in and it makes the imperfections where the plywood is actually manufactured and layered together to keep a continuous flow of plywood coming out of the factory. They glue it together and then cut it into the proper length and width and stuff. So let's get a look at one of the overlaps if I can get it. You can see it right there. There's an overlap right here. But I think that's going to be okay. I'm going to buy some copper banding that they use for grounding. I'm going to bend it into an angle. I'm going to drill it flat first. I'm going to drill holes in it while it's still flat. I'm going to bend it and cut it to shape around the edge. So this is going to all be covered with copper border all the way around. That's my plans, and that's how it's going here lately. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.